Well, here we are again. We're going to do some more rope stuff, and I want to put an eye loop or eye splice into the end of this rope here. And you notice I've got it unraveled right here, my 3 strands. I've got all my ropes or strands are color coded so that I can keep track of them. And I've also added a couple different pieces here, one here and right here, black tape, so that after I've measured that out, I'll be able to keep everything pretty tight. Okay, that kind of gives me a point of reference, and then it keeps especially on this end, it keeps me from unraveling my twist and keeps this part of the rope kind of tight. All right, you'll just a little bit of a trick there, especially when you're getting started out. That seems to help. So we'll get to going on the eye splice. Okay, you notice I've already got this one started, but I've got my loop all fixed up here. These two where I've got my black tape is about what my loop wants to be in the end. I've got my red strand threaded through there. I just want to tighten that one up while I'm at it, kind of put it where I want it for now. I want to, again, kind of like in my other videos, I want that thing to come straight down the rope, so I'm just going to, with patience, actually work that just so it kind of keeps everything matched up. I've got these 2 strands, my yellow and my blue, are on the back side. I'm just going to rotate it this way. Now, in this case, where I start out, what I want to do is just take the next strand that doesn't have anything underneath it. As I twist it this way, then I'm going to go underneath this one. So that's how you get it started, so that everything is started correctly. So I'm going to feed the blue underneath that one. There we go. And you notice how it's coming in. It's coming in like this, underneath that strand. That's important. It can't go the other way. So, and I'm just gonna patiently, I'm gonna work that. See how I'm pulling that up? And now my black pieces are starting to match up there. I'm gonna work my red strand just to keep it going down my rope straight. Just kneading it, pulling it through like that, and then I want to turn it one more time this way. You notice now what I'm going to do here is that this is the next strand right here that I need to go under. Nothing else has gone underneath that one, just to keep it nice and even throughout this whole thing. The start is the most important part because you can go over the top real easy of too many strands. And I'm just going to keep pulling. Once I get that worked underneath there, keep pulling. Make sure I use these black tape just for my guidelines. Okay, I want to make sure that they're nice and even as I pull that and even things out, and make sure that it's running the right way straight down my rope like that. Okay, so I've got a good start to it. It's still pretty tight. And then I can start with any one of these actually for the next one. And I'm going to, just like my end splice, I'm going to go over one, under one. Okay, so in this case for the blue strand, I'll go over this one, under that one. Open that up. There we go, we got that one. Just kind of straighten it out a little bit. Keep your twist in it. That's important. Make sure it runs straight down there. Rotate it this way. You can see over one here, under one there. There we go. Open it up. Stuff your yellow strand underneath that one. Keep twisting. Patience, patience, patience through all this. It's going to take a little bit of practice and patience. That's what it requires. And we're got the red one for the last one. We're going to go over this one, under this one. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's looking good. It's looking good. There we go. All right. Now we're just going to work it a little bit. Make sure that it's nice and tight. Like that. Just like that. You can leave those black strands if you want to. You can take them off if you like. They'll wear off eventually. Probably a good idea to take them off, but we're not going to right now. I won't show you, but if you want to tuck those ends, it'll take a little finger power, thumb power, and that sort of thing. We can tuck those over one and under one to finish it off. That's all there is to it. Again, you're going to roll it a little bit, make sure that those strands are nice and even and that sort of thing. That has as much tensile strength or more than actually the rope itself does. So that's the best splice there is as far as an I-splice. And we could burn these up a little bit here so they can't work themselves out at this point. And then we'd be good to go. Nice I-splice. So hopefully that helped, and you can replicate it. Take a little practice. You might have to cut the end of your rope off a couple times to accomplish it, but that's okay. We're just learning this together. All right, so good luck with that one. That's a really good one. You'll use it a lot if you're doing any packing or if you just are around rope a lot. Twice is what I recommend minimum, and you might even do it a third time if you've got enough ends on this one in order to put it on there. I just like a nice even short kind of a splice in there rather than a great big long one at times. So good luck with that.